Okay, so hopefully you've been able to draw a sketch of this circle, and at this point we can do something with this sketch. We have a profile, so if you imagine a cylinder, it has, if you remember the equation for a cylinder, there's a length component or a height component. We have the circle, and now we want to create a cylinder, so it's a matter of just taking this circle and extruding it through some length. So we are in what's called a 3D mode. And let's go in the sketch mode and back out again, just so you can see how I'm going from sketching to 3D back into sketching. So I'm literally in a 3D mode. There's no sketches that are active. But let's say I want to go into this sketch. I can go into my first sketch, and the context menu goes up, and I can edit sketch and get back into it. I could then change the dimension, 0.75 inches, say. I could do some more sketching, but I'm going to exit out of this sketch because I want to do something on this with this sketch. And that is, I'm going to do one of our very first features, which is extrude. So notice in my menu up here in the upper left-hand corner, I have features. We're going to click on extruded boss base. I'm going to select my sketch. I can either select it directly, or I can select it with the feature tree. And at this point, the CAD software recognizes that I have a profile of a circle, and we can dynamically grab this distance and look at different distances that we want to extrude this. I could key in a value like 5 inches and zoom out using my wheel mouse in and out. I could change the direction that it's extruding from this front plane, toggling back and forth. And I can accept this feature. And we've drawn a cylinder. And that cylinder, the basis for it was that sketch that we initially drew. Now, because of the parametrics involved with this software, I can go back into the sketch. Notice the sketch has been absorbed by this feature called Boss Extrude. I can drill down, click on that sketch. I'm not in the sketch itself, but I have that dimension available. Key in a different value, and I have a different diameter cylinder. So this is taking a sketch and turning it into a feature. And this likewise is now really a part. So let's go ahead and save that. I'm going to go up here to the menu command. I can either click save, or I can do the flyout and file, save. And we can go to a location on our disk. I'm just going to go to my desktop. Call it something meaningful. My first part. And by default, a part is called SLD PRT, or solid part, SolidWorks part. Let's OK that. All right, you try it. And then we'll get back with our sketching series.